Welcome to Nuer Online YouTube channel. We are going to learn about the color in Nuer language. Here, colors mean color names. Short BL. Colors mean BL. Color bill. Bill. Here, to color or to paint. Mi bill door. Mi bill door. To color or to paint mean mi bili door. Green mi touch. Yellow mi yan. Brown milit. Blue miyel. We have other colors like red, midair, white, mibor, black, michar, gray, millow, purple, miyel yao, pink, mider der yao, orange, yan yao. I will repeat the lessons again. Green mi touch, yellow mi yan, brown milit, blue miyel, red midair, white mibor, black michar, gray millow, purple miyel yao, pink midair der yao, orange miyan yao. These are the colors named in Nuer language. If you have any question or any suggestion, please comment below. And if you are new to the channel, try to subscribe and then comment or share with friends and family. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.